Hello guys, how are you? Guys, right now I'm in standing in the area which is very important. It is very green and very beautiful area, and the temperature is about 25 degrees Celsius. And right here, as you can see, the glacier, the peak is, and right now this is the border between maximum 3 kilometer of Kosovo and Albania border. And as you can see, the landscape of mountain in front of me, this is the Albania, and the other mountain, as you can see, the little peak, and this is Kosovo territory, this mountain. And on the other hand, you can see in front, this is the Kosovo area. The Kosovo border is maximum 3 kilometer away from here, and this small mountain in Albania. So right now I am in the Albanian territory, and I want to show one thing little more. As you can see, some
City Kosovo.
the Kosovo city, as you can see, straight there is some small houses. This is the Kosovo. This the peak you are looking, some houses. This is Kosovo, because Kosovo is very small country, and in between all the mountain range. So as per the rules of European territory, new rules of Kosovo policy, visa policy, Indian, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and other countries, they must apply Schengen visa. Okay, they not accept American visa, they not accept British visa. They accept the Schengen visa. If you have the Schengen visa or you have Kosovo visa from embassy, then you allowed to border cross or come by air. That's it, because the Kosovo has no sea border, and other countries they allow. Right now I'm in Albania. I came from Montenegro, so the beautiful landscape, jungles, and some peak, and this is the glacier once again. Other side, the because of the poor visibility of weather conditions. And this is my friend, this is with Volkswagen, who came from Montenegro. And this is the my like the you can see that the country number 30, because I went Bosnia for some time. I came back Montenegro, and now enters in Albania. So I go back to Montenegro via Albania. So Albania also the country which has the lot of mountain ranges and two glaciers, high peaks. One is you can see here, and other I did video on the same way, on the, and beautiful landscape and valleys and natural beauty as well. So guys, so because in the Balkan cities, Balkan states, they have some rules and regulations in Europe. But if you have the Schengen visa, no visa required for the Balkan state. You can enjoy by road, and that's it. And there is a Macedonia. Macedonia also, they have some land borders, and they all, and is directly towards with the Hungary border with Hungary. So Hungary, Slovenia, like Slovakia, and on the eastern side there is a Bulgaria and Greece, blah blah. So Europe is not very big, but because of the high mountain range, altitude, so that is why there is some, like, you feel the vibe is little bit different of some other countries as well. See the jungles, and due to this mountain range, the climate is always changed. Now today is very sunny, weather is nice, and last 2 days were a little bit cool. So and I came from Tirana. which is the capital of Albania. I stay there sometime. I enjoyed there, and so I'm trying to go back with my friend in one living in Tarana. This is the jungle, and there is no uh, no huts and no human beings there. Little bit agricultures. Mostly these hills are in jungle. Some lakes are there. Okay, guys. So this is just kind of information I want to share with you, the current informations. So sometimes it happens, they put in the news that in social media that no visa required, and in the European territory and some countries they change their policies because they are progressing, they are developing. So that's fine, and always we respect the immigration rules of any country. um, okay, guys, and you can enjoy Europe. Europe is for yours. Europe is for the tourists. So people are friendly over here. Everywhere is friendly, and the Kosovo immigration was also friendly. I met them. So just kind of information. So they because the immigration is for the tourists and for yours, and everything. You can come anytime in Europe. This is the European Union, and this is for the tourists, of course. And once more view, you know, the beautiful view, and see the sun. It's 4 o'clock, and because it's now is going to be summer season. And once more view the beautiful land of Kosovo, and this land attached the mountain zigzag, and to the mountains there are some rivers. Okay, guys, thanks for watching.